Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Samsung Members app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is first. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, just click on it. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on notifications here, just click on it. You come to next here. So then you click here on notifications categories. You come to next here, come here to product registration here. Click in this side, like you see this color show for us. That's main product registration enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.